Hello everyone. Welcome once again kids to your maths classes of grade 4th. As you can see here, today we are going to start a new topic that is based on chapter 2 of your maths course book, and it is about addition. Okay? In the first chapter we have studied about large numbers. So many subtopics were there about the large numbers, about successor, predecessor, about Indian and international place value systems, forming of greatest number, forming of a smallest number, and ascending order, descending order, and about Roman numerals and all that. So today I am here with a new chapter that is about addition, in which we are going to study, as you can see over here, learning objectives are addition of 5 and 6 digit numbers, about word problems, rules of addition, estimating the sum. Basically, addition. What is the meaning of addition? To add something, to do the sum total of anything. Suppose you have 2 rupees, your sister is also having 2 rupees, your one more cousin, he is having 3 rupees. So if somebody asks you what is the total amount of rupees with all you three, then how you are going to tell that person? You will add it up. 2 plus 2 plus 3. It will give us total of 7 rupees. Yes. So to find out the sum total of any number, any amount, we do the addition. Okay. Their addition technique, addition method help us to find out or to calculate the total of anything, total amount. Sorry, in your previous once again, in your previous class you have already studied about how do you add 3 digit numbers. Okay, so just there is a quick revision of the facts. First point is with addition is that when we add 0 to or subtract 0 from any number, the result is the number itself. It means to say that suppose this is a digit over here, 59851 plus 0. If 0 will be added to any of the given number, the result will be the number itself. There will be no change in this number if we add 0, because 0, it is having a 0 face value. Okay, and even if 0 is subtracted from any given number, then also there will be no change. The result will be the number itself. So this is one fact while we do addition or subtraction, which we have to keep in mind with the 0. And one more thing, that when we add 1 to a number, we get the successor, and when we subtract 1 from a number, we get the predecessor of that number. This also we have studied in our large number chapter, that about the successor and predecessor, as you can see with the example that 58,959, when we add 1 to it, the resulting number will be the successor of this particular number, that is 58,960. And when we subtract 1 from this given number, the resulting number will be the predecessor of this number. Okay, that is 58,958. Okay, we can write, next point, we can write addends in any order, while the order of numbers is very important in subtraction. So let's talk about addition now, that it is saying that while doing addition sums, we can write the addends. Addends are the, you can see here, these are the addends. The digits, the numbers, the two given numbers which you have to add, which you have to sum together. Those are called, these two sequence of numbers, digits, they are known as addends. So while doing plus problems, addition problems, we can write addends in any order. Order means either you can write the bigger addends and then you can add the smaller addends to that, or you can write the smaller addend and you can add the bigger addend to that. No matter, result will be the same. But in case of subtraction, we have to take care that we can only subtract the smaller from the bigger number. For example, we can subtract 3 from 5, but we couldn't subtract 5 from 3. Okay, we can subtract 3 from 5, means 5 minus 3, result is 2. But the opposite cannot happen. From 3, we couldn't subtract 5. This was just for an example. Now, let's understand addition with some pictorial explanation. Oh, there is some kind of birthday party which I am seeing over here. There are so many kids. One auntie is there, one musician is there. So it is the society's get together. And Pummy auntie, she is the Pummy auntie. Okay, this is a society get together. And one Pummy auntie has ordered many bakery products. Oh, yes. In parties, in birthday parties, societies get together. There are so many bakery items. Means to say that cake, chocolate, pastries, muffins, these items are there. These are called bakery items. Okay. So she has ordered so many bakery items, which you can see here in the pictures also with their prices. Let's see what and how many items she has ordered. Now we have to see how many items she has ordered. So first item you could see over here, that is of the pastries. These pastries are of rupees 200. She has ordered pastries. Okay. Individually we can see there are two pastries, but we will take it as a single quantity, that one quantity is of pastries, one quantity is of chocolates, one quantity is of muffins along with their prices, that whatever muffins she has purchased, she has ordered for the party, the cost of that was rupees 141. Whatever chocolate she has ordered for the party, the cost of that was rupees 315. And whatever pastries she has ordered for the society's get together, the cost of that was rupees 200. Oh, there are some more items. That is juice tetra packs. Okay, when we get from the supermarket juice in these kind of packets like real fruit juice and all that, fruity, so those are called tetra packs. Okay, so juice tetra packs also she has ordered. That is the cost of rupees 250. Then she has ordered candies. Candies are simple small toffees which you also distribute while you are having a birthday. You distribute toffees or candies to your friends, to your classmates, as well as to your teachers. Okay, so she has ordered candies also. The cost of those candies is rupees 300. This is the sign of rupees. Okay, symbol of rupees. And she has ordered cookies also. Okay, this is the plate of cookies which she has ordered, and its cost is rupees 520. Okay, so in all blank items were ordered by Pummy auntie. So in all 6 items were ordered by Pummy auntie. As I have already told you that this complete pastry, we are seeing over here 2 pastries, 2 muffins, but this complete set of pastries will be considered as a single quantity. We will count it as a single quantity, that how many items she has ordered for the party. So as far as the items are concerned, she has ordered 1 pastries, 1 chocolates, second muffins, third, fourth item is juice tetra packs, fourth, candies is the fifth item, and cookies is the sixth item. Okay, so in total she has ordered 6 food items for the party. In all 6 items were ordered by Pummy auntie. Now, Pummy auntie ordered paper plates and cups too. Yes, because to eat all these items, there will be required paper plates also and paper cups also to drink the juices and all that, so that it could be served to every guest. So she has ordered another one item. These are not the eatable items. These are the things which will help us to keep things in it and to eat. So paper plates worth rupees 300 and paper cups worth rupees 300. So 2 more items she has ordered for the party. So now find out the total number of items bought by Pummy auntie for the society get together. So it is the total item. 6 were earlier items. Earlier she has ordered 6 items. Pastries first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Earlier she has ordered 6 items. Now she has ordered 2 more items. 2 more items are paper plates and paper cups. These are the 2 more items which she has ordered. So now we have to find out the total number of items bought by Pummy auntie. Now we have to find out the total number of items bought by Pummy auntie for the society get together party. So 6 plus 2, it will give us 8. So in total she has ordered 8 items to conduct this society party. Okay, so how we got this number 8? By doing addition. Earlier we have counted the items for the party. Those were 6 items, 6 eatable items, and later on she has ordered 2 more items which were paper plates and paper cups. So we have added 2 in those 6 items. So 6 plus 2 has given us the result of 8. So by doing the addition technique, addition method, we come to know about that in total she has ordered 8 items for the society get together. Now the second question, second statement is asking you how much amount means rupees, how much amount has she spent on these items. Oh, now you have to calculate, you have to find out how much total money, how much total money, how much total amount Pammi auntie has spent on purchasing all these items, all these 8 items for the party. Okay, so along with the items, you have seen that their rupees were also written, their cost, their prices were also written. As you can see again in this picture, that pastries worth rupees 200, chocolates worth rupees 315, muffins worth rupees 141, juice tetra packs worth rupees 250, candies worth rupees 300, cookies worth rupees 520, and the paper plates and paper cups each were of worth rupees 300 each. Okay, so now how we are going to find out the total amount? So we have to add all these prices. Okay, we have to add it, 200 plus 315 plus 141 plus 250 plus 300 plus 520 plus 300 plus 300. Okay, so this much long sum we have to do. And how we are going to write it? Like this, will not be able to solve this. So we will write it in the proper sequence, in the place values. Okay, 100 tens, as you can see, 100 tens ones. This is at the hundreds place, this is at the tens place, this is at the ones place. So one by one we will write each one, each prices of the items. Okay, then only we will be able to find out that how much total amount of money she is going to spend. Now let's count, let's add it up. 5 plus 1, 6. No carryover because all are 0. And you have told when we add 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 to 6, the result is the number itself. That I have already told you in this rule, that when we add 0 to or subtract 0 from any number, the result is the number itself. So here only 2 digits we can add, that is 5 and 1. So 5 plus 1, 6. Now come to the second row, tens digit. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 0, 10. And 10 plus 2, 12. So we will write 2 over here and 1 got carried over here. 1 will be carried over at the hundreds place. Now let's add again this hundreds place. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 4. Sorry. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 3. Tell me, 9 plus 3. 12. 12 plus 5. 17. 17 plus 3. 20. 20 plus 3. 23. Oh, she has to spend rupees 2326. All in all, she will spend this much amount of rupees on purchasing of all these 8 items for the society get together party. Okay, so now how we got to know about this amount? That the second statement was asking us how much amount has she spent on these items. So she has spent in total 2326 rupees in purchasing all these items. How we could come to know about it? We have just placed the digits in their place value systems, 100, tens, ones. We have placed each of the price of the items in sequence, and then we have added the addends, okay, as per the addition rules. So now you can see that the addition sums or the method of addition is so useful in calculating the total amount, in calculating the estimate of anything. Okay. Now here is one more pictorial example, you can say, to explain, to tell you more about addition. Neha is on shopping spree. Shopping spree means she has gone to a mall for doing shopping. She is all in all out for the shopping stuff. Okay. So this is the mall where this Neha is going. Okay. Now she has went to a fabric shop. Okay. And you can see she is looking at these frocks, beautiful frocks. Oh, I'm confused. Which shall I buy? She likes two things. Here, one this also and one this stuff also. Its price is 2046 and its price is 1789. I have rupees 5000. Can I buy both? And how much money she has taken with her? She has taken a total amount of rupees 5000. When we go to shopping, we have to carry money with us. We have to carry cash with us. Okay. So this Neha, she has also taken a total of rupees 5000 with her, and she want to purchase two things. One cloth price tag is 1789, as you can see over here. Okay. And one cloth price tag is rupees 2046. Now she is confused whether she will be able to purchase both these things. Here it is written, oh, I'm confused. Which shall I buy? Now, because she has not estimated that if both these individual prices, she will add up, then it will be less or it will be more than 5000 money which she is carrying with her. Now let's see what happens. We can add two or more numbers to find out their total value. What it is written? We can add. We can do the addition of two or even more than two numbers. As we have seen over here in this example, there are more than two addends. Okay, there are total 8 addends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are in total 8 addends. So that's the same thing is written over here, that we can add two or more numbers to find out their total value. If we need to find out the total value, total estimate of any given numbers, so we can add even more than two addends. Okay. When we add, the result or answer we get is called the sum. Okay. Is called the sum. For example, if we are adding these two addends, if we are adding one this and one this addends, so whatever result we are getting, it is called the sum. It is called the sum. For example, in this example, the rupees 2326 we have got this rupees, so this is called the sum of these given numbers or these given rupees. This is the total sum. Okay, so now this concept is clear, that the numbers which we add up together, it could be two or more than two numbers. Those are called addends, ADDENDS in maths. And whatever result we get after adding the addends, that is called the sum. That is called the sum of these addends, these numbers. Okay. Okay, now let's move forward. And the numbers we add are called the addends. Okay, this I have already explained. Let's find out whether Neha can buy both the dresses she likes. Oh, now she has to purchase two dresses. I have already told you. One with the price tag of 1789 and one with the price tag of 2046. Now, and how much total money Neha is carrying? She is carrying a total of 5000 rupees. Total of 5000 rupees. So how we are going to find out whether she will be able to purchase both the items or not? first step is to add the prices of the individual clothes which she want to purchase. That means we have to add the price of first cloth, that is 1789, and the price of second clothes, that is 2046. Okay, so when we are adding, now here you can see this is the smaller number. 1789 is smaller than 2046. But while doing addition problems or addition questions, we can write the addends in any of the sequence. Either you can write the smaller addend above and then you can add the bigger or larger addend to this, or even you can write this bigger larger addend in the first order and then you can add this smaller addend to this bigger one. There will be no change in the result. In both way we will get this result only. Is that clear? While doing addition problems only. This is applicable. This fact is applicable only while solving the addition problems. Okay, that while doing additions we can write the addends in any of the sequence. Either you can write the smaller addend and add it up to the larger addend, or you can write the larger addend first and then you can add the smaller addend to it. There will be no change in the result. This will only be the result. So now back to the Neha. First, what we have to do? We have to add the individual prices of both the dresses. That is being written over here in the place value system like this: 1000, 100, tens, ones. 1789 and second cost is 2046. As you can see over here, one price tag is this, one price tag is this, and she wants to purchase both these clothes and she has a total of 5000 rupees. So first she have to calculate the total of these two, and now after doing totaling, 9 plus 6, 15, 5 written over here, 1 get carried over, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 4, 13, 3 written over here, 1 get carried over here, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 0, 8, no carryover, and 1 plus 2, 3. So in total she has got the result 3835. She has got the result 3835. Oh, now tell me 3835 and 5000, which is greater? Obviously 5000 is greater. 5000, the amount 5000, it is greater than this number, than this rupees. So obviously she has more money, so she can purchase both these dress items. She can purchase both these attires for herself because she is carrying rupees 5000 and 5000 is a big amount. It is a bigger amount than rupees 3835 which she will have to spend after purchasing of these two dresses. So addition, the technique of the method of addition, this plus has helped Neha to solve her problem, to solve her confusion ki whether she can purchase both the dresses or not. She has just simply added the price of individual dresses, okay, and then she find out that yes, the resulting price is of rupees 3835, which is smaller than 5000, so she can purchase both these dresses. Okay, now there are some addition facts which need to be understood. So let's see what are these addition facts. Okay, so first is, which I have already explained to you, that when we add 0 to a number, the sum is the number itself. Say 0 plus 5103 will give 5103 as the sum. Okay, so when we are going to add 0 to this number, there will be no change in this number. The result will be this number itself. This will only be the sum. Okay, next point, if we add 1 to a number, we get the successor of that number as the sum. Say 1786 plus 1 will give 1787 as the sum. That is called this is also known as successor of this number. This particular sum, it is also called successor of this particular number. This also we have already studied in our previous chapter, and moments before also, that if we are going to add to any given, if we are going to add 1 to any given number, for example, if we add 1 to 2, then 2 plus 1 will give us 3. So 3 is the sum of these number, 2 plus 1, and 3 is also the successor of 2. Okay. Now third fact, we can add addends in any order. The sum remains the same. Say add 1173 and 2004. So let's see. In one of the boxes, in one of the place values, you can see that first we have written 1173 and then we have written the addend 2004 and then we have done the sum. So 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 0, 7, 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 2, 3. So this is the result, this is the sum. Now let's see. If we are writing 2004, first we have written the addend 2004, the bigger addend first we have written, and then we have written the second addend or the smaller addend, that is 1173. And now let's check the sum. 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 0, 7, 1 plus 0, 1, and 2 plus 1, 3. Oh yes, the result is the same. As you can see over here, same sum. This is called the sum. This is called the result of the addends. So in both the cases, you can see the result or the sum, it is the same. There is no change. So this is the very third and important fact about the addition that you have to keep in your mind. All these facts which I am explaining, that is very important. You should also write these facts in your notebook. Whatever notebook you are maintaining, you should make important notes of the explanation part from the video. Okay? You have to maintain your work properly, neatly and cleanly. Now the fourth fact. When we add 10 to a number, the digit at the tens place increases by 1. For example, this is 54,360 plus 10. Then it becomes 54,370. So that's what it was written, that when we add 10 to a number, when we add 10 to a number, the digit at the tens place increases by 1. Okay. Now which is the digit at the tens place? It is 6. So it increases by 1 at the tens place in the result. In the sum, it will increase by 1. This 6, it changed to 7. What is the difference between 6 and 7? It is a difference of 1 digit. It is a difference of 1 digit. Okay. So that's what it is written, that when we are going to add 10 to any number, when we are going to add 10 to any given number, then what will be the change? The change will be in the digit at the tens place. It will increases by 1. Okay, that has been explained with this example, that in 54,360, if we have added 10, when we are adding 10, then the result will be 54,370. So the digit at the tens place, it get increased by 1 digit. So if 6 will be increased by 1 digit, what will it become? It will become 7, because 7 is the successor of 1. Successor of 6. Sorry, 7 is the successor of 6. If we are going to add 1 to 6, what will be the result? We will get the result 7. Okay, so this was the fourth important fact. Now the next fact, when we add 100 to a number, the digit at the hundreds place increases by 1. Again the same fact, but now the digit is changing at the hundreds place. The change is happening to the digit at the hundreds place. Okay, for example, this is 79,400, and if we are adding 100, then what is the change? This 4 will become 5. It will increase 1. 1 digit increase will be there in this hundreds place, and it will become 79,500. What will be the sum? What will be the result? It will be 79,500. That's what it is written over here, that when we are going to add 100 to any given number, when we are going to add 100 to any given number, then the result, then the change will happen at the hundreds place. The digit at the hundreds place, it will increase by 1. So the result you can see over here. Here at hundreds place it was 4. Now it has become 5. It has got increased by 1. It has got increased by 1. So that's what was written in this fact. Last one. When we add 1000 to a number, the digit at the thousands place increases by 1. Now the same change is happening, but it is happening at the thousands place. If we are going to add 1000, to any given number, for example, the number is 86,428, then the digit at the thousands place. Which digit is at the thousands place here? Obviously 6. 6 is the digit which is at the thousands place. So it will increases by 1 and it has become 7. Here we have seen the 4 has become 5. Here we have seen the digit at the tens place, it has become 7, increases by 1. Okay. So in case of when we are going to add 1000 to any given number, then in that given number, whatever digit is present at the thousands place, it will increase by 1 and it will become the next number. Okay, it will increase by 1. Suppose if it is 6, so it will become 7. If it is 5, it will become 6. If here it was 4, so it have become 5. So the thing is that the gist of these facts is that whenever we are going to add 1000, then to any number, then the number which is at the thousands place in that particular number, it will increases by 1. Okay, so these were some important addition facts which you have to keep it in your mind. And now there are some smart math question is given. Okay, so the very first question I'm solving so that you will be able to solve another given question. As you can see over here, the number is 20,134 and the result also is 20,134. That means what we are going to add into 20,134 so that the result is the sum itself, so that the sum is the number itself. So can you recall this first addition fact, that when we add 0 to a number, the sum is the number itself. For example, 0 plus 5,103 will give 5,103 as the sum. So the same technique, same method we will apply here, that if we are going to add 0 to 20,134, then there will be no change in the sum. The sum will be the number itself if we will add 0 to this number. Okay, so this is your homework which you have to do, which you have to complete in your notebook, and you will write the questions also. The whatever problems, whatever statement or question is given, that also you have to write. So in this portion of the video, kids, we have studied about addition. Okay, through some pictorial examples, that how and in what way the mathematics of addition, the formulas, the rules of additions, the facts of addition help us to do estimate, to solve problems, to do the calculations in our daily life. Okay, and this one exercise I have given you as homework. See you soon with some more parts of this chapter video. Till then, take care, bye, and thank you for the class. Thank you.